Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 18,000 peak watt home backup portable generator. This does come equipped with a remote electric start. You got a transfer switch ready, 30 amp and 50 amp outlets. Alright, so right here we have our generator. This is the WGen 14500C. So this one here offers in gas only, tri-fuel, and you also have the option of dual fuel. So I did go with the gas only because we have better options with the gas. So this is a generator right here. I had to remove it from the box. It is super heavy, so you might have to use a really good size dolly just to move it. So this is a 10.5 gallon gas tank. So this one here runs on 18,000 peak watts and 14,500 running watts. So this generator is very massive. This right here can actually back up larger homes with a 120 240 volt 1450R 50A outlet. It does a 120 240 30 or 50 amp. You got one 120 volt L5 30R 38 outlets. It has two GFIs 120 volt 520R 20 amp, and it also has a duplex outlets, two USB ports, all have rubber covers, so it actually is protected in the sun and in the rain. So you can see right here as a start button, you have your fuel on and off, you have this battery on and off, you also have your plug USBs right here. Then you have your metro key, you got your little start button right here, and you have plugs all the way at the bottom. So this one is a master, huge generator. This can run up to big houses. My house is about 1,500 square feet. So by this one, it should have extra and then some. So right here, all these plugs are covered up, so you don't have to worry about any rain getting up in there. So this is a really nice generator. It is very heavy, so you would need a really good size pallet jack or a really good size dolly to move it. It does have wheels at the bottom, but it's the other end that makes it a little bit harder. You can see that there's wheels right here, and then it has the battery right here. So this one here is a remote start. You don't actually have to be in here to start this. You do get the remote start actual key fob right here. So you've got your start. It's very tiny. You can actually clip this on with your keys. So you have your oil filter and dipstick right here. This is a capacity of 1.6 liter. This does also work with a 10.5 gallon gas tank. So this can run up to 16 hours at 25% load. It has a heavy duty 713cc. It has a V-twin OHV engine. It is automatic low oil shutdown, low idle mode, VFT. It's got a data center, shows voltage, frequency, and a lifetime hours, so you're up to date the output maintenance. So here is the back of the generator itself. This is a really nice generator. I decided to pick up this one because it is super big and it will power my whole house, especially here in Texas when we do have some of these power outages here. I don't have to worry about anything. I just grab the adapter to go into my house and we should be all set. So right here, this is a 713cc V-train. You got your L filter right here. So on the other side, it has all the exhaust pipe. So this includes a CO shutdown for safety. It has a push button and remote start for quick and easy access to emergencies, as low as a 74 decibel operating volume. It has reinforced steel handles and a lift bar. This engine is made with a durable cast iron sleeve, which includes the oil, the funnel, and a setup guide. So this is basically cut right. You just start it, make sure you put your oil and your gas in there, and it does have the gas gauge here up at the top to let you know. So again, it does run 16 hours on 25%. So this is a 10.5 gallon gas tank. It runs an 18,000 peak watts and 14,500 running watts. It runs up to 16 hours at 25%, and it has a V-twin OH engine. So this is a massive beast. You can see here the specs on this: 18,000, 14,000 watt. It has frequency of 60 hertz. RPM is 3,600 RPM. And it has the power factor duty. This is what it looks like on this side. So if you're looking for a nice, really powerful generator, I would definitely say check this one out. I have not started it up yet, but I will make another video with it started up so you can hear how quiet this is. I would definitely say if you're looking for a generator, check this one out.